Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot the carrier outdoor unit communication fault and what usually causes this particular problem. So first of all, a communication fault means the indoor and the outdoor units can't exchange the data. So when this happens, the indoor unit may keep running for a short time. It can display the errors or it can stop cooling altogether. Now, before checking anything else, you need to simply look at the outdoor unit. If it is completely off while the indoor unit is running, you need to make sure that the outdoor unit has power, and you can also check that the dedicated circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Then you need to simply inspect the communication cable, whether it is running between the indoor and the outdoor units. If it has become loose, damaged or disconnected after the installation or maintenance, the two units won't be able to communicate properly. So make sure that this particular communication cable is linked properly. Then you can just simply perform a power reset, in which you just have to turn off your AC and you need to leave it as it is for some time. After some time, you can just simply turn it back on and see if the issue is still there or if the issue is fixed. Now, if the fault returns immediately after you turn on your AC, even after resetting it, instead of checking, you can just simply check for a specific error code if it is flashing on the display, as this can help you determine whether the issue is caused by the communication wiring or the outdoor control board or due to the indoor PCB. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.